Hi everyone, this is practice formative of chapter 4, question number 33. So during the National Mathematics Olympiad competition 2021, all the 100 participants gathered in a hall to listen to the briefing. After the briefing, all participants are divided equally into 5 groups. All the participants in each group are instructed to take their seats in their respective classroom. So before the commencement of the competition, the participants in Group A shake hands with each other. So we need to find the number of handshakes made between the participants in Group A. So we have 100 participants, but we have to divide it equally into 5 groups, which means each groups we have 20 students. So for part A, these 20 students will form the handshake. And the handshake is between any 2 of the participants. So 20, choose any 2. Okay, the one that already shake hand, we don't count. So just any 2. So 20C2. 20C2. As long as we combine 2 people to form the handshake. So combination is used here. All right, 20C2, 190 handshake. 190 handshake. And then for part B, the number of handshakes made if Afik, Ben, and Kathy do not shake hands with each other as they know one another. So we have to minus the number of handshake if Afik, Ben, and Kathy shake their hand each other, isn't it? So 3 of them, the number of handshake between the 3 of them is 3C2, which is 3 handshakes. Therefore, the number of handshake will be, we take 190 minus the 3, so we have 187. We can use this way.